Hello children, today I am going to teach you to match figures and figures. Today the lesson is matching figures. Now here number 1, here number 2, here number 3, here number 4, here number 5, here number 6, here number 7, here number 8, here number 9, here number 10. We have to find the correct figure and place it here. Here number 1. We see where's number 1. Right? Now we see, is this number 1? Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? Here? No. This is not number 1. Here? Is this number 1? Here? No. This is number 1. We have to find the same number to match. Right? This is number 7. Here? Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? Yeah? This is number 1. Is this number 1? No. Is this number 1? Here number 1. Here number not 1. This is 3. Now here, is this number 1? Yes. Here number 1. Here number 1. Now here I am going to fix it here, number 1 and number 1, right? Now the next number is number 2. We see where's number 2. Now here, is this number 2? Here, 2? No, this is 4. Now here, is this number 2? Is this number 2? No, this is 5. Now here number 4. Now we see this number. Is this number 2? Yes, this is number 2. And here number 2. The same number. Number 2 and number 2. Now today we are matching the same number. Right? Here number 1, number 1. Number 2, number 2. Now here number 3, figure 3. Now we have to find the same figure 3. You see, is this number 3 here? No, this is not 3 here. Different. This is 9. Is this number 3 here? Yes. Yes, this is 3 and here number 3. Now I am going to fix this number here, 3 and 3. Same figure, 3 and 3. 3, 3. 2, 2. 1, 1. Today our lesson is matching figures. Here we are matching, finding same figure and matching. Right? Now here the second line here, the first number is 4. Number 4. Is this number 4 here? Is this number 4? No, this is 5. Now we see this one. Is this number 4? No, this is 6. Here number 4. We see this one. Is this number 4? No, this is number 9. Is this number 4? Yes, this is number 4 here. 4 and 4. And fix it here. This is number 4. 4 and 4. Right? That is correct. Now here, this is number 5. Where's number 5 then? Here? Is this number 5? Here? No. This is 5. This is 7. Here? What about this one? This is number 5. This is not 5. This is 10. What about this one? Is this number 5? Yes, this is number 5 here. 5 and 5. Same number, same figure here. 5 and 5. 4 and 4. 1 and 1. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. Now the next number, number 6. Number 6. Is this number 6? Is this number 6? No, this is 7. Now what about this one? Is this number 6? Is this number 6? No, this is 8 here. Different. 6, 8. Now here, what about this one? Is this number 6? Yes, this is number 6 here. 6 and 6. Same figure, same number, right? Here 6, number 6. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the next number is number 7. Number 7. Is this number 7? Here. Is this number 7? Here. No, this is 10. Where's number 7 then? Here. What about this one? Yes, here 7 and 7. This is correct. This is number 7 and here number 7. 7 and 7. Right? Now next one, number 8. Number 8. Here number 9. Not, this is not 8 here. Different. Number 9. Now we know 1 to 10. So this is not number 8. This is number 9. Here what about this one? Is this 8? Yes, this is number 8. Here. Now number 8 and number 8. Now this one. This is number 9. Number 9. Now look at this one. Is it number 9? Yes, this is number 9. Number 9. 9 and 9. 9 and 9. Okay, this is the last number. Number 10. We are searching number 10. Here the last number. Number 10. This is number 10 and here number 10. 10 and 10. Okay. Now we'll see from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now all the numbers are here. 1 and 1 here. 2 and 2. 3 and 3. 4 and 4. 5 and 5. 6 and 6 here. 7 and 7. 8 and 8. 9 and 9. 10 and 10. Right? We have all 2 numbers now. 1, 2, like that. 1 to 10. We match the numbers. Okay. Thank you for listening, children. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Thank you very much.